Good day, class. Today we have a topic called differentiation. Differentiation is one of the types of calculus. So today I'm talking about differentiation. So what's differentiation all about? Differentiation is all about finding the dx of the given value of y. For instance, for example, we have here it said you should differentiate the following. Number one, y is equals to x raised to the power 5. 2, y is equals to 2x raised to the power 4. So to find the differentiation of number one, which is x raised to the power 5, we have solution. Since y is equals to x raised to the power 5, finding the y dx of x raised to the power 5 is all about multiplying the letter by the power and subtracting 1 from the power. That's all about differentiation. So here we now say that the dy dx of x raised to the power 5 is equals to what? Use the power to multiply the letter. That is 5 times x is what? 5x. You have 5x here. Then you subtract 1 from the power. So you have your 5 times x, 5x raised to the power 5 minus 1. So your dy dx of x raised to the power 5 is equals to what? 5x raised to the power 4. You have used the power to multiply the letter and you have your 5x. Subtracting 1 from 5, you get 4. So that's why we have 5x raised to the power 4. As simple as that. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then for the second one, which says y is equals to 2x raised to the power 4. Remember what I said, to find the dy dx of 2x raised to the power 4, you do what? You subtract the coefficient with the power. Sorry, you multiply the coefficient to the power with the coefficient and then subtract 1 from the power. So here, why we have 5x here, 5x raised to the power 4 is because the coefficient of this x is 1. It's an inevitable 1, but you don't write it in mathematics. So you know, like you should have it somewhere in your head that it is 1. So multiplying 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So that's why I have 5x here. But this one is a different thing altogether. It has y is equals to what? 2x raised to the power 4. So this one has a coefficient that is physical. So to find the dy dx of 2x raised to the power 4, we have what? Use the power to multiply the coefficient. So we have 4 times 2, you have what? Is equals to what? 8. Then 8x. Remember you have to always add your x. It's not shown on it. 8x raised to the power 4 minus 1. 8x raised to the power 4 minus 1. Sorry, I did not get this one. 8x raised to the power 4 minus 1. So when you have this, you have that you what? So dy dx of 2x raised to the power 4 is equals to what? 8x raised to the power 3. So we have used this power to multiply the coefficients and we got 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we subtracted 1 from the 4, which is the power, and we have 3. So your dy dx, the derivation of 2x raised to the power 4 is what? 8x raised to the power 3. Do you understand? Thank you.